हाय यूट्यूब व्यूअर्स, आप सभी का स्वागत मेरे चैनल पे। इस बार मैंने आज सोचा है कि आपके लिए कुछ एजुकेशनल वीडियो पब्लिश करूं। इसलिए मैंने इस बार आपके लिए एजुकेशनल साइंस के रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियोज़ आपके लिए पोस्ट किए, जो कि साइंस के फर्स्ट लेसन लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया पे डिपेंड है। तो मुझे लगता है कि आप इसे बहुत सारे लाइक करेंगे और कॉमेंट करेंगे। थैंक यू एंड वॉच इट।
Welcome everyone, so today we are going to learn science.
But Raju, what are we going to learn today?
Newton's first law of motion, its lesson from 9th standard, and also let's begin with topic.
Of course, let's begin.
The law proposed by Newton. So please like and subscribe me and keep watching my favorite videos. So this force explains that when an object is at rest or in uniform motion or in a straight line, unless an external unbalanced force acts on it. So let's us see with an example and understand it. Now take a coin, a glass and a cardboard paper and follow the steps. Now you can see clearly that. So this was an example of law of inertia, which clearly proves us that when an object is in uniform motion or in a straight line like an coin, unless an external unbalanced force act on it, and that external unbalanced force was rather than nothing than only an gravitational force. So now you have been proved. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.